Hey there! In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about OBD2 trouble code P0175, also known as System 2 Rich for Bank 2. First things first, let's break down what the P0175 code actually is. This code gets triggered when the engine control module receives an input signal from the oxygen sensor, also called the air-fuel ratio sensor, indicating that the air-fuel mixture has been running too rich for an extended period of time. Now let's talk specifics. A rich mixture means too much fuel and insufficient air in the combustion process, which can lead to poor engine performance, increased emissions, and potential damage over time. When this happens on Bank 2, the ECM flags it as a problem and triggers the P0175 trouble code. Now let's learn what is Bank 2. In engines with multiple cylinder banks, like V6 or V8 engines, you'll have two sides or banks of cylinders. Bank 1 typically refers to the side of the engine where cylinder 1 is located, and Bank 2 is on the opposite side. If you want to read more about any other OBD2 codes, you can visit our website obdcode.org for a full list of codes and their meanings. Now let's dive into the details of why P0175 gets triggered. To understand this, we need to talk about how your car's engine monitors and controls the air-fuel mixture. In a fully functional system, the upstream oxygen sensor measures the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases as they leave the engine. This real-time data helps the PCM adjust the air-fuel mixture for optimal performance. For gasoline engines, the ideal air-fuel ratio is 14.7 parts air to 1 part fuel. This is known as the stoichiometric ratio. When the mixture is at this ratio, combustion is efficient and emissions are minimized. But when the oxygen sensor detects that the air-fuel ratio is lesser than 14.7 to 1, meaning there's too much fuel or too little air in the mixture, the PCM interprets this as a rich condition. If this lean condition persists for an extended time, the PCM triggers the P0175 code, indicating that the system on Bank 2 is running too rich. Now, where exactly is the P0175 sensor located? The P0175 sensor, also known as the oxygen sensor or air-fuel ratio sensor, is generally located in the exhaust system, upstream of the catalytic converter on Bank 2. This sensor position can vary slightly depending on your vehicle's make and model, but it's usually found near the exhaust manifold. Now that we understand what P0175 means and where the sensor is located, let's cover how to reset it. Sometimes, error codes like P0175 appear due to recent maintenance or temporary glitches, and they may clear up after an OBD2 reset. To do this, you'll need an OBD2 scanner. If you don't have one, check out the link in the description for the best scanners out there. Simply connect the scanner to your vehicle, follow the instructions to clear the trouble codes, and see if the P0175 code reappears. If the P0175 code reappears, it's time to look into some common root causes of P0175. Let's discuss some common root causes of the P0175 error code. The first cause is faulty oxygen sensor. Sometimes the oxygen sensor itself may fail due to wear or contamination. The next cause is faulty oxygen sensor heater circuit. Oxygen sensors need to reach a specific temperature to work effectively, which is why many have an integrated heater. A faulty heater circuit can prevent the sensor from reaching optimal operating temperature, resulting in incorrect readings. The third cause is defective sensor wiring or circuit problems. Issues like a blown fuse, broken wires, or poor connections in the oxygen sensor circuit can disrupt the signal to the ECU, causing the P0175 code. The fourth cause is a leaking fuel injector. A fuel injector that leaks can deliver too much fuel into the combustion chamber, causing the air-fuel mixture to become overly rich. The fifth cause is clogged air filter. A clogged air filter restricts airflow into the engine, reducing the amount of air available for combustion. The sixth cause is excessive fuel pressure. Excessive fuel pressure causes the fuel injectors to spray more fuel than necessary, leading to a rich air-fuel mixture.